Hola y bienvenidos a Vistas en el Camino. Hey, just kidding, guys. Hello and welcome to Views on the Road. Yes, the Views Club. If you guys don't like somebody that speaks two languages, that might not articulate the proper way for a recipe, this might not be a channel for you guys, okay? I do speak two languages, Spanish and English, and my mind is always working overtime. So if I say dissolve or dilute, you guys kind of know what I'm talking about. Don't waste your time leaving me a comment. Just click out or keep on with the recipe. And for my Views Club, if you want to learn how to make a strawberry horchata, please keep watching.
La Luna! El borracho!
Yeah, oh girl, el borracho. You guys saw el borracho. You know what I'm talking about.
If not, I will link it down below.
Oh gosh, I get shy, but it's so much fun. Can't resist. Okay, friends, we're not going to sit here and chat about my old horchata videos. We're going to talk about this horchata video. And hey, maybe one day for one of our milestone celebrations, we can bring it out of the vault. What I did with this rice is I soaked it for 24 hours exactly. Give or take a few seconds, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in our blender and we're going to blend, okay? It's going to be a little bit of extra work for you guys, but it's going to be perfect. It's going to be worth it.
Is it worth it? Let me work it. Because you're right at the blender, so you're the DJ.
I'm really excited to be a DJ.
But you actually have some real DJs in your comments.
I do?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like they're DJs.
How do you figure?
Have them comment, you'll see.
The DJs?
Yes.
What? You
Like
guys
real DJs.
Like Views Club DJs?
Girl, like they go to quinceañeras and weddings and start DJing. Like
Oh
play
my
music.
god, no way, that's awesome. I love quinceañera DJs. They always play the right stuff.
Comment, you know who you are.
All
Because
right.
I always look out for that video, for their comments. My cool DJ.
Ay, ay, ay. You know what, Claude? I'm so thankful you're on the channel because one of the things I didn't want the Views Club to miss out on is the communication that, like when I started the channel, and you guys will hear me in like my old videos that do contain curse words, like always, I'm just trying to keep up, guys, because I was raised to where it's rude if you don't respond back and someone's talking to you. So it's like, it's a pet peeve, I guess. Like I have to say something to you.
I go in there to tally up the requests.
Yes.
But then I come across some very fun comments.
You're like, hey Steph, what do you want me to do with this?
Someone needs
Black.
Someone needs your attention.
Yeah. You know what? I did find that as the channel's growing, some people pick a fight with me because you guys want to be seen, but wouldn't you want to be seen for being beautiful and positive? Come on. So what we're going to blend this rice in this water for a good 4 to 6 minutes, okay? We want to blend it really, really well. Blend it real good. Push it. That's the remix. Silence, my brothers. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, same thing we did to our horchata. We're gonna strain this part. I know you guys noticed I didn't add the cinnamon sticks or the clove in here. It's for a reason. Ooh. Summer is coming. The splash pad is coming. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
I know. Summertime comes around and the kids know that there's like a splash pad park stuff and they're like, Mom, can we go? So, well, you know, I am a Mexican-American mother, so if your house is clean, you can go. Now that we have everything cleaned up, I did mention there's going to be a few more steps here. So this is where you want to add, wow, I made a wonderful mess. When I said clove last time I didn't mean garlic. It's a spice, a clove. So that's the one that you want to use. You want to use your stick of cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, keep it out. You guys already know, make it comfortable for your home. Let's go ahead and pour all this content in. Ooh.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Un desmadre.
I feel like I need to help you. Are your hands shaky?
Really? No, you know what? Ah!
¿Qué?
It's this Pyrex. I'm not going to use it anymore for the Aguas Frescas. This is like the biggest splash ever.
Transfer it to the pitcher, okay? No, pues.
No, I'm gonna, hey, I'm already here, might as well.
You need to go slower. There you go, very slow. Just like this.
You know what? You're so embarrassing for that. You are so embarrassing, child. You're gonna see that you get a little bit of the rice at the bottom. That's perfectly fine. The reason at the Agua Fresca places or the taco shops you don't get it is because they have it in the machine that's constantly moving it around. And that's the difference, but you want that in there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and add my strawberries and we're gonna blend. We're gonna blend this for another, let's go with 3 minutes. It's gonna depend a lot on your blender, but for me, I'm gonna do 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add my sugar. The full recipe is gonna be at the end with nothing blocking it, ready for you guys to screenshot. It is 2019 and that's how we're doing it. We're getting very, very modern. Right? We're cool like that?
Paperless.
Working on it. Working on it. All right, let's hit it. Na 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 na. Okay, when you're done blending, it should take you about 3-4 minutes. You should be good on that time. We're gonna go ahead and strain it. Could you have done this in the beginning? Yes, but I really wanted the rice to blend on its own, like to really purify and pulverize. And you'll see that the difference, if you put it all together, there's a huge difference. So now I'm gonna pour slowly.
Can she do it? Can she? Oh, yeah.
I mean, if you don't mind the seeds in your horchata, you don't have to do that like how I did it. You can do it your way, but I don't want to mess with those strawberry seeds. So pretty, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It looks just like strawberry milk.
Granted, if you guys buy this at the store, this is going to look slightly different because I'm not using red dye. If you guys want it a little bit redder, maybe add a little bit of raspberry or some red dye because the raspberry agua fresca is divine if you haven't had it. You think you can give me a little bowl, Mama, so I can scoop this out to it?
Mm-hmm.
And as you're pouring and straining your horchata, you want to scoop out some of the cinnamon stick. So that way it goes a lot faster. I also want to share with you guys that I'm doing the best I can to add leaks. Thank you so much for all of you guys that have been helping out. The other thing that I find difficult is because in the past when I did links, people think that I'm taking advantage of somebody, and that's not the case, guys. My husband does a really excellent job at providing for our family, so anything extra that comes from our channel, it's a blessing. Okay, yeah. I'm not here to take advantage of you guys. I'm here to share myself with you guys and how I live my life, right? How I cook.
And none of your videos are sponsored. Not one.
So far, we don't have any sponsored videos. I did have one, but we had to take that one down because things got really, really nasty with that. And it wasn't even like, I didn't make any money off of it at all. I think I just got a free item, but I really didn't even need it. I was just excited to bring something new to the channel, but going forward, I'm being very, very selective on what you guys want to see. So on that note, I would love to hear what kind of discounts you guys want, because you guys already know once you have a YouTube channel that has a certain amount, you get clothes, you get a lot of people, a lot of good companies too, but I want to know what kind of things you guys want whenever I do agree to some type of sponsorship or collab of some sort. I think that would help me kind of like decide like, hey, this is a good one, they don't want to see this, and we'll keep it nice and clean for us on the channel. So once you've strained your horchata, your strawberry horchata, you want to taste it. You want to taste if the sweetness is good enough for you. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. I'm going to tell you guys, like I tell you with all the recipes, start off with a smaller amount. It's always easy for you to add. So on this one, start off with 1/2 cup of sugar. And it tastes very, very light if you don't add sugar, if you choose to go that route. But if you guys want that sweetness, go with 1/2 cup or 3/4. That's going to be the best option for you guys. So let me go ahead and pour this into my pitcher, and let's hope that I can keep it clean. Slowly. My sister's over here doing like the Christmas story when he's pouring the, what do you call those?
The BBs?
The BBs into the thing.
On Christmas?
Yes.
Do it carefully, just like I showed you.
Let me show you guys, okay? Because I think I got it with this pitcher.
Slow and easy, girl.
I'm glad all the people that don't like a long video skipped or got out, because this takes time. I know you're gonna want to add lechera, evaporated milk. Go ahead if you want those calories, but you can easily enjoy a nice treat and keep it on lower calories. Keep it very, very simple and fresh. I mean, rice, sugar, strawberries. Perfect.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You know, when you do that, it makes me think of a reggaeton song.
And what makes you think I'm not doing it because of
I know that's why you're doing it. See how I poured this one fast? It's because I lifted it a little higher. It's my bartending days, guys. Hey. It is windy out. Cheers, you guys. I want you guys to take a test since we're all drinking from the same cup right now. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Hey, you guys, for my adults, you got some rum chata. Go ahead and put some rum chata in there. Somebody mentioned like gin is a good one. You mentioned Hendrick's gin. Hendrick's gin is my ultimate favorite gin. I'll have that on the rocks. Like, I ain't even playing. That's how good it is. But stay off of that right now, guys. We're detoxing. I might have a cocktail here and there because I have a special request from a friend to do something, and it's gonna be on the beauty channel, and
I haven't had alcohol in such a long time. Really long time. Okay. Not that I was drinking every day, but I'm just saying, like, usually I'd be like, oh sure, I'll have
I'm
a
more
cocktail,
of a cocktail. Like,
yeah.
Hey, I have to feel it. Like, if I'm happy and jolly and I feel like, oh, I want a cocktail, I'll have myself a cocktail. It doesn't always mean that I max out my shots in there.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
we
very
only
light.
have one, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
We eat more than we drink. That's
yes, that's another reason why, like, when I'm eating a lot, I cut down on other things. But
shout out to all the dragones out there.
Yes. You guys, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, take the time to subscribe down below. And once you click it, you're gonna see a little bell pop up, and you become one of my bells if you click it, because then you know when I upload, you get a notification, that kind of fun stuff. But if you're making these recipes and sending them to me, I always put the recipes that you guys sent me and the ones that I'm able to see. So if you guys are sending them, send them to me on Instagram and Twitter so I can post them right here. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me for this delicious drink. If you guys are having parties, make sure you make this. It is epic. I think you guys are really going to love this one. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Adios!